How to change profile picture in Indeed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open the Indeed application on your device. Make sure that you have downloaded and installed it on your device. Then make sure that you're logged in. After logging in, it will look something like this. The home page of Indeed looks something like this. Then you can tap on hamburger icon at the top right corner and you can see different options over here. Now select on profile, and as you can see, there's no direct way of changing the profile picture or just even adding the profile picture on Indeed. We only have the information about our Gmail, our phone number, our location and our name. We can upload our CV and our qualifications and all, but we cannot update profile picture. Now we can go on settings as well, and here as you can see, there's no options of changing our profile picture and all. This is because that's how the application works and how that has been created and designed. So there's no other way that the profile picture can be created or even changed in this application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.